Sagolban Assembly Constituency ki BJP ki MLA RK Imona separate administration ki demand tauriba MLA singda assembly da laktuna leiriba issue sing imung amatagi member sing OINA INGNA tapna khanasi warishin ama puraksi haina appeal TOUKHRE MLA Imona social media da thagalakba video message amada hai Mahak masamak lenga ki official spokesperson amadi natte adubo mahak masagi oiba wakalda KPA gi MLA anina Chief Minister and Birena Luchingba lenga kasida support tawba thokle haribasi thoina ngangningai oide makoidi hanana center the separate administration tandana memorandum amaso pisin khrabani aduna amaromda makoi lenga asigi saruk aman natte haina lakthok paga chap mane aduna makoina lauriba khongthang asida kaisu ngakningai leite makoina support tawdragasu lenga asida karisu sokningai leite lenga asina MLA 𝐀𝐒𝐒𝐿 support phangduna majority oina leiri haiki mahana makhatana hai separate administration taliba MLA singna assembly da laktuna wa khanasi nongmai beral na taunabadagi hena assembly ge floor da khanaraga warushin ama purakna bahotnasi makoina lakpada karisu kiningai leifam thokte maramdi state amadi central government da makoida security matik chana pigani haiki
I want to request all the legislators from the particular community who have written for separate administration, please come to the assembly floor. Let us all discuss and let us take this forward. As one family member, all the 60 MLAs should be discussing together. There will be no issues of any kind of apprehension to any member of the Legislative Assembly. I'm sure Government of India, Government of Manipur will provide adequate security and ensure that everyone is safe, everyone is there participating, and we'll all ensure together that we can all work it out together, work it out peacefully rather than from the barrel of the gun. We can discuss it on the floor of the House and bring a solution for the betterment of the state. For those members who have withdrawn support from the government, rather than withdrawing support, if they're really serious, I think it's better they resign as members from the Manipur Legislative Assembly.